Hey, I wanted to show you data management at the Endocrine Disruption Lab. It's the most important part of what we do because there is so many people in this. So if you go to our All Aspects of EDCs folder, you're going to see that all fish data is now empty. I've created a new folder called Fish Data with the date. Go to the Gambusia data spreadsheet, download the spreadsheet, change the date with the new name, put it on the USB drive. This is important because sometimes the OneDrive isn't working. And so we're going to keep the spreadsheet on the USB port as well. Okay, so then what you can do is now upload. A few different ways you can do it. We can upload a file, and we can go into our USB, and if we change the date modified to the top, there's ours, and then we say share. So now that's the way that you're going to have this spreadsheet that you can work on during the day from any of the computers or from home. Now, the other thing we want to do is at the end of the day, download that folder again, save it with, let's call it final for the day, and save it on the OneDrive, and then also that should be fine. Okay, so there's your spreadsheet. I'm going to make another screencast-o-matic for the LazyZ software and imaging. Thanks, I hope this helps.